If you're developing a mobile app that needs to update an embedded device, you've probably come across the term OTA, or also known as over-the-air updates. But how does it actually work? How do you actually send updates to your device without needing it to be physically connected and manually upgraded? In my last video, I explained what OTA is, but I didn't explain how it works step by step. So I thought in this video I would explain how over-the-air updates work, especially for people who don't have a technical background in software engineering and firmware development. Hi there, my name is Sahil Bora, a software engineer based in Melbourne, Australia, where I specialise in developing mobile apps that integrate with embedded systems. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button down below. So what is OTA updates? Firstly, let's define what over-the-air updates is. OTA allows us to remotely send new firmware or software updates to an embedded device wirelessly. This means that you can fix bugs, improve performance, or add new features, all without needing to physically plug in into the device and update it. Now let's break it down how it works step by step in a way that it is easy to understand. So step one is obviously preparing the update. So whether you're using a binary file or a hex file, the first step is to prepare the update itself. This file contains all the necessary instructions and code that the device will need to apply the new software. Once the file is ready, it is stored and it is ready to be sent out. Step number 2 is updating the update to the cloud. So we upload this update onto the cloud. So next the file is uploaded onto the cloud. Think of the cloud as the central storage location that your mobile app can access anytime. The file waits in the cloud until your device is ready to receive the update. Step number 3 is downloading the update via your mobile app. Here's where the mobile app comes into play. The app communicates with the cloud, downloads the updated file, whether it's a hex file or a binary file, and it gets ready to be sent out to the device. Step number 4 is sending the update to the device. The app sends the update wirelessly to your embedded device. This can happen over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or another wireless connection depending on the setup. The key here is that you don't need to be physically connected to the device. Everything is happening remotely during the updates. Step number 5 is installing the update on the device. Once the device receives the update, it needs to install it. This is handled by the device's bootloader, which is responsible for safely applying the new software. The bootloader also makes sure that the new code is installed correctly, without disrupting the device's functionality. Step number 6 is rebooting and verifying. So finally, after the update is installed, the device reboots. It checks to make sure that everything is working correctly with the new firmware. If everything went smoothly, the device is now running by the latest version of firmware, so there is no need for manual updates. So why are OTA updates such a big deal? The biggest advantage is that they allow us to update devices that are deployed in the field, no matter where they are. You can push bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features to devices anywhere, anytime, without having to physically retrieve them or manually update it every single time. Plus, whether you're using a binary file or a hex file, the overall process remains the same, meaning that you can maintain your devices efficiently no matter the type of file. So that's how OTA updates work, step by step, from preparing the update, uploading it to the cloud, delivering it through your mobile app, and installing it onto the device. It is a seamless process that saves you time, effort, and money. And if you're working on a project that involves embedded devices and you need help with implementing OTA updates or mobile app integration, feel free to reach out. Click on the link below to book a free consultation with me, and let's bring your vision to life.